Yeah. Well, it is the go-to place for art lovers. We're talking about the 24th annual Art in the Park. It's at Sequiota in southeast Springfield this weekend. Meike Aton is here with just a few of the fabulous creative pieces that you'll be finding there as well. Nice to have you with us.
Well, thank you.
There's large art in the park, it looks like. Who's going to be there? And tell us about the medium that will be available.
We have 42 different artists.
Wow.
We have wood, small and large. We have paintings, we have photography, we have prints, and we have pottery, and we have jewelry. We have some glass, and we have several of each. There will be a wide variety, large to small, large to small.
And much colorful as well.
Colorful also to deal with the weather.
Yes, this is also like a regional event, an attraction for a lot of folks in the area who are...
It attracts people from the 4 states, yes.
Okay, and as well as the artists that will be there. So any highlights we want to talk about for the 24th annual?
It's just, it's the largest show we've ever had.
Okay, that's a good one.
Several artists have been there before, but we have, I think, 15 artists who have never been there before.
Excellent.
So there will be a lot of new stuff to see, and a lot of what you've seen before. So there is a great variety.
Well, all right, let's just talk a little bit more about Art in the Park, specific to tomorrow and also Sunday, what the hours will be while we have that on screen.
Tomorrow it's from 10 to 4:30, the same on Saturday.
Okay.
And we have all kinds of artists there, and we have food trucks there. And let's have a dance to get the rain to leave us.
Okay, we'll work on that. Now, something special tonight at the Springfield Art Museum. Tell me quickly
about that.
In addition,
tonight, the Springfield Art Museum has offered their space to Studio 55 for an art show. So there will be 75 different artists represented with a variety of paintings,
and
mine
does that
included.
Start? Okay.
That is for only 2 hours from 6 to 8 p.m. tonight. Only those 2 hours.
And then very quickly about next week at your gallery.
Next week at my gallery in Woodhurst Office Park, I have an open house on Thursday from 3:30 to 7 p.m. And it's all available at my website, MeikeAton.com.
Very good. Thank you very much for all of this information. We look forward to a fabulous show.
Thank you.
Thank you, Meike, for being here.
It's wonderful to have this opportunity to share it with the community.
Our pleasure. We'll be back with some major changes for